dear friends and fam. So glad you're here for another one. During this episode, let's solve this subtraction problem. 54 minus 47. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 4 minus 7. But I can't do it because 4 is smaller than 7. So we must borrow. You go to the 5 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 4 becomes 14 and 5 becomes 4. Now we have 14 minus 7, which equals 7. Write 7 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Write 0 in the tens place. So 54 minus 47 equals 7. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.